In this video, I want to show you how to get started with ThreatSync, starting off with what ThreatSync is, where to activate it, and take a glance at the data and actions to take. So, what is ThreatSync? Well, ThreatSync is a cloud platform level service in WatchGuard Cloud that provides extended detection and response, short XDR technology. ThreatSync can analyze and correlate event data from multiple sources, which provides a huge advantage to identify malicious behavior and to present all in a simple UI to perform resolution actions. ThreatSync is a WatchGuard unified security feature included with these licenses, so the more WatchGuard products you have, the more visibility and expanded XDR features you gain access to. Okay, so we know a little bit more now, but where can we activate ThreatSync? Well, for that we need to log into WatchGuard Cloud, so let us do that. After the login, we find ourselves in the WatchGuard Cloud dashboard. Let's go to the Configure menu in the ThreatSync Management UI. In this example, ThreatSync has not been activated yet, so seeing the option to enable it. Once this is completed, the device settings page opens. Here you can verify and of course specify which of the WatchGuard registered or licensed products and devices should send incident data to ThreatSync. With a ThreatSync Open license, you can configure integration with third-party security platforms and firewalls. For more information on this topic, please visit the Help Center. With everything being enabled, let us head over to the Monitor menu in the ThreatSync Management UI, where you monitor and perform actions on incidents for your account. The summary page includes graphs, counters, a threat report, and incident data, and provides a snapshot of incident activity for your account over a specified period. This specified period is a filter, which by default always shows the current date, and can be adjusted by selecting one of the available time periods. In this example, there's no data shown, as ThreatSync was just enabled a few minutes ago, but also the amount of data from your WatchGuard security products that ThreatSync correlates from plays a role too. You see, some of them start to show up. When you click the title of a tile, any shown bubble, a specific incident status, or even a wedge on the pie chart, it will lead you to the incidents page in a filtered view to whatever you clicked on. For now, I want to go directly to incidents, which opens the incidents page also in a filtered view, and this is for quick visibility using the filter New and Read Incidents. Click on this icon if you want to change the filter for the incident list, and choose one or more filter options. Alongside with the risk levels shown which each incident has, some of them indicate that an automatic action was already performed, such as in the first example looking at the incident about malware, where the file has been deleted. You can also see this in the section Automatic Response, along having the recommended actions section, such as in this case manually isolating the host. This is possible because the host has WatchGuard's Endpoint security installed. Underneath you see the Entities of Interest section, showing all the unique objects related to the incident. The Signals section lists all raw events, so signals that ThreatSync combines to create the incident. A click into this section opens the Signal Details pane, which the signal name is listed at the top of the pane, followed by the raw data received by ThreatSync for the signal. The data that appears in this pane varies based on the incident type and the data received from that signal. Just take a quick glance at the detection source to see from where the signal originates from. So let's go back to the incidents list and look at this incident. This time no automatic action has been performed, and you being able to manually take actions, such as block the domain. This for example creates a ThreatSync block item entry for all in ThreatSync participating fireboxes to block this domain. If you have completed your investigation on this incident, you have the option to set the status to closed. The Endpoints page provides a list of incidents grouped by endpoint, and enables you to review and perform response actions for the incidents associated with an endpoint. Taking this host as an example, you can see the number of incidents that occurred within the specified period, along with more details to these and available actions to take. You surely recognize this list of incidents, just now being from the endpoint point of view. Without going into too many details, you can also look at incidents from the perspective of a user. So let us head back to the incidents list again, as I can hear you already say, do I honestly have to do this manually for every single incident? Well, if you want, but no, of course not. You can start using automation policies available in the Configure menu in the ThreatSync Management UI. But one big piece of advice about automation policies. Please take time to make yourself familiar with the types of incidents and not try to automate remediation of all incidents, as you might see unwanted results based on your configured policies. So start simple and perhaps build from these default policies. Do you remember that we previously blocked a domain? Of course you do, and under blocked items on the tab Firebox, you have a great overview of all of these and the option to select the according checkboxes to unblock these in one step. A similar list is available for blocked access points, which have been blocked from incidents, or even have been added as trusted access points, which you would see being listed here. You can configure ThreatSync to allow third-party firewalls to connect to your ThreatSync blocked items list and use it as an integrated threat feed. However, this feature is only available with a ThreatSync open license. Here are some key takeaways. ThreatSync provides a quick view of threats across multiple systems, and many incidents have been taken care of by the service, while others require your attention. Use automation policies to help you automate incident remediation. ThreatSync is a WatchGuard unified security feature included with these licenses. More details can be of course found in the WatchGuard Help Center, but also watching the useful videos available around ThreatSync.